In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the canister purge valve on your Kia Sorento located under the hood. Let's get started. Moving under the hood, we're going to be removing this cover, and for that, simply grab it in the front, slide it up, do the same in the rear, and take it out. To get better access to the solenoid, we're going to go ahead and remove this section of the intake. We're going to start by removing both of these hoses in the back. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, we're going to go ahead and move the hose clamps. Simply squeeze, move them out of the way. Do the same for this one. Now that we have the hose clamps out of the way, we should be able to simply grab on the hose and pull them out. Do the same on this one. Using a 10mm socket, we're gonna go ahead and loosen this clamp. We're not gonna take it completely out, just get it loose. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and loosen this hose clamp over here. Using the 10mm socket, we're gonna go ahead and put it on the bolt. And like I mentioned, we're not going to remove it completely, we're just gonna loosen it. Now that we have both clamps loose, we should be able to grab on it, slide it out. Once you have it out, on the bottom, simply move it up. And we can leave it like that for now. After moving the intake pipe out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and remove both of these hoses. To do so, I'm gonna use a pair of needle nose pliers. Simply grab on the clamp, move it out. We're gonna do the same on this one. Once we have those, I'm gonna be using the same tool to remove the hose from the purge valve. Simply move it side to side and pull it out. We're gonna be doing the same on this one. Now that we have both hoses out, we're gonna go ahead and remove the purge valve from the bracket. Simply slide it out. Just like that. And lastly, we're gonna go ahead and unclip it from the connector. Just like that. And here's the old one. Now we're ready to install the new one. For that, we're gonna start by sliding it onto the bracket. Simply line up the holes, slide it in place. And now go ahead and plug it in. Lined up the connector. And make sure you hear a click. We can go ahead and install this hose. Make sure you bottom it out. And do the same on this one. Just like that. Using the same tools we used to remove the hoses, we're gonna go ahead and put the clamps back. Do the same on both. And there you have it. Now we can go ahead and install the intake tube. Simply slide it down and line it up with the throttle body. Go ahead and get it inside the throttle body. Just like that. And now we go ahead and tighten our clamp. I'm gonna go ahead and get it snug. These do not need to be tightened really hard since they hold plastic pieces. Go ahead and tighten the top clamp. Like I mentioned, you do not have to tighten this too much since you are tightening on a plastic piece. Now we're ready to reinstall our hoses that go on the intake pipe. Simply line it up. Make sure it bottoms out. Get the other one. And using a pair of needle nose pliers, we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the hose clamps. Just like that. Now we can go ahead and install our cover for the engine. We're gonna be aligning the grommets to the standoff on the valve cover. Simply slide it in place and push it down. And that's job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.